In the last class, we have discussed about the classical addressing scheme IP version 4. Today, we are going to discuss about IP version 6 addressing scheme. So basically, IP version 6 addressing scheme is also known as classless addressing because it does not possess any type of class. So what are the characteristics? What are the formats? What are the features? We will discuss it here. First, the IPv6 address size is 128 bits. So 2 to the power 6 is equals to 128 bits are available for providing the addressing scheme. So in such a manner, uh, in difference with IPv4 which only provides 32-bit address, so IPv6 address size is much larger than IPv4 addressing scheme. So obviously it may cover up all the computers and mobiles and devices within the world. IPv6 addressing scheme expands the addressing capability using 128 bits. The representation of IPv6 addressings are like this. They provide this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number of 8 bytes separated with colons. This is the way we represent a IPv6 address. So where each X is the hexadecimal value of the 8 16-bit pieces of the address. It means 00000 to FFFF. So using this kind of addressing, we can cover a large address space. In addition to this preferred format, IPv6 addresses might be specified in following two manners. So first, if the IPv6 address contains more number of zeros in between the hexadecimal places, so we can omit the leading zeros like this. Suppose we have written 1050 0000 and so on up to 0600 300C 326B. So all the in between intermediate zeros can be written like this: 1050 colon 0 colon 0 colon 0 colon 5 colon 600 colon 300C colon 326B. So in this manner we can omit the leading zeros. Moreover, we can write the same address using this. We can just use double colon when we have encountered number of zeros as addresses as address space values. So we can write 1050 double colon 0 double colon 5 600 300C 326B, or this address can be written as like this: ff06 colon 0000 colon 0000 and so on colon C3. It can be written like this with omitting leading zeros, and again this particular number of zeros can be replaced by this double colon C3. So in this manner we can specify IPv6 addresses very specifically and very easily. Next, IPv6 addresses type. So address types in IPv6 addressing scheme or classless addressing can be unicast address, in which we have linked local address and global address, or anycast address, which is used to provide the data which is used to communicate with the most nearest member of the group, and a multicast address which is used to broadcast all the information shared within the internet. Next, the characteristics of IPv6 addresses. So it supports billions of hosts even with inefficient address space allocation. It reduces the size of the routing tables. We don't require routing tables because either it may be anycast, multicast, or unicast addresses. Then it simplifies the protocol to allow routers to process packets faster. Then it provides better security than current IPv4 addressing scheme. It pays more attention to types of services, particularly for real-time data. It adds multicasting by allowing scopes to be specified. It makes it possible for a host to roam without changing its address, like we do using mobile IP and mobile TCP. We will discuss mobile IP and mobile TCP in later videos. Then it allows the protocol to evolve in the future. Obviously, we can have various combinations of addresses with the help of IPv6 addressing scheme, and it also permits the old and new protocols to coexist for years. So it supports all the protocols that are used by IPv4 addressing scheme or IP internet working and TCP protocol.